Digital watch ba ang hanap mo? Akong bahala sa'yo. What's up everyone? Good day, great day. So, pasensya na medyo pause ako ngayon. So, for today's video guys, meron tayong i-review na first watch na madideal natin for 2026. So guys, we have here the AEQ 120W1BVDF. So, ayan siya. So, the design is rugged, sporty, or military inspired. So, this watch digital and analog movement. 48.6mm diameter with the battery life up to 10 years yung kanyang itatagal ng battery, with water resistant 100 meters. So pwede siyang pang swimming pero hindi siya pwede pang diving. So guys, for the material of this watch, so medyo kakaiba yung ginamit dito kumpara sa ating mga stainless steel, but ang ginamit dito sa watch nito guys is resin type. Then ganun din yung kanyang glass, resin glass, acrylic. Yan. So, ang pinakaiba naman ng resin glass sa hardlex and sapphire glass, guys, mas siya, flexible, kaya siya shockproof. Kasi ang hardlex tsaka sapphire glass ay sa scratch yan eh. So, mas scratch resistant yung sapphire glass. Fun fact yan ha. So guys, punta naman tayo sa function and features ng watch natin. So, meron siyang 31 time zone. Meron din siyang stopwatch. Stainless steel material pala yung buttons. Then, meron din siyang full auto calendar. And meron siyang loom dun sa may kanyang RN. Correction. So, for the watch inclusion guys, so meron pa rin naman tayong hard box, manuals, warranty card, tags, kaso walang links. Dahil strap yung ginamit natin dyan eh. So, ayan. So, shoutout sa ating client. Thank you very much for trust. So, shoutout sa ating client, no. Thank you very much for trusting our KNL affiliate. Yung ating sideline ay medyo nagbubunga-bunga ng konti. So, maraming salamat po sa tiwala, guys. Then, yun lang, guys. Kinuha ko siya kanina hapon. Then, bukas, delivery na rin natin sa ating clients. So, nakakatuwa lang din guys no, dahil nagkaroon tayo ng first na digital and analog movement na naibenta. So, kaiba lang din eh. No? So, nakaka-overwhelm. So, yun lang, marami pa tayong type siguro ng relo na may bibenta. No? So, looking forward for it. So, for now, that's for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next vlog. And laging tatandaan na keep grinding and don't waste your time. Paalam!